Let's create this beautiful filter at Sorting Layouts using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. We can create filter and sorting for every layouts. For example, I create General Layout. Create a style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our layout. Save the layouts. We can use the shortcode anywhere, but I use the shortcode Publish the layout in a page. Copy the shortcode. In a new tab, first we created a page and designed the structure with Elementor. You can also design your choice. We'll show the filter and sort elements here, and also a layout we've already created. First, locate the shortcode element. Drag and drop it here. Pass the shortcode and apply. Publish and view page. Successfully set out layouts. Back to General Layouts page. Go to Product Query. For example, I set 8 product per page. That will be shown in a page. Save the layouts. Copy the short code name. Back to Dashboard. Go to Filter and Sorting. For example, we will start by displaying the Show Per Page option first, followed by the other option. Create a style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our Show Per Page filter. Pass the shortcode name and filter for option. There are 2 presets, Normal and Drop-Down. You can use the one of your choice. Save the layouts. Copy the shortcode. Go to Elementor Edit page. Search shortcode element, drag and drop here. Pass the shortcode and apply. Successfully added Show Per Page element. Publish and view page. Back to General Layouts page. Copy the short code name. Back to Dashboard. Go to Filter and Sorting. Create Sort by Style. Set a name and save. Successfully create Sort by. Pass the shortcode name and filter for option. There is also Normal and Drop-Down preset. Save and copy the shortcode. Go to Elementor Edit page. Search shortcode element, drag and drop here. Pass the shortcode and apply. Publish and view page. Successfully added Sort By in our page. Now we add category filter with same process. First, create category style, set name and save. This is our category filter layouts. Set layouts name, which we was use our page. Here we are use normal preset. We can set our chosen category using the category query option. Save and copy the shortcode. Back to Elementor design page. Again, set shortcode element, then pass shortcode and apply, publish, and view page. This is our beautiful category filter. Now we set rating filter, go to Filter and Sort, and create rating filter style. Set a name and save. Successfully create our filter, set layout's name, which we was use our page. There is also normal and drop-down preset. Save and copy the shortcode. Back to Elementor design page. Again, set shortcode element, then paste shortcode and apply. Publish and view page. Successfully added our rating filter. Now we create price range filter. Successfully create our filter, set layout's name, which we was use our page. Here we are use normal preset. Save and copy the shortcode. Back to Elementor design page. Again, set shortcode element, then paste shortcode and apply. Publish and view page. This is our beautiful price range filter. Now we set attribute filter. Create a style. Set a name and save. Successfully created attribute filter. Set the general layouts, which we was create for filter. Here I set color. You can set your chosen attribute like color, size, etc. For example, I set drop-down to preset option. Save and copy the shortcode. Back to Elementor edit page, and again, set here the shortcode. Publish and view page. Successfully set our filter and it's look good. Now, let's modify the design of our page using Elementor. I want to change the position of the filter and adjust the spacing between all the filters. Publish and view page. We have successfully created our attractive, multifunctional, and beautiful filter and sort added. Thanks for watching the video.